I think most of the people that I know, if I say Azerbaijan, they don't even know what I'm talking about. If I say Baku, they don't know what I'm talking about. I still don't know if you're supposed to say Baku or Baku. But this city is so beautiful and so interesting. Look at how blue the sky is, my friends. Look how bright the sun is shining. Look at how clean the streets are. You got a language that I think, if I'm not mistaken, is similar to the Turkish language.
Turkish, Azerbaycan aynı.
Yeah, similar. This is the Azerbaijani gutab. I don't even know what to call it. It's like a bread.
Put it on top and go with.
It's unbelievable. I can eat like 7 of those right now.
Bilmezdim ki bilirəm bir bu qədər saxta yalan xoş sözlərini bilmezdim ki bilirəm bir bu qədər aldadıram tək gözlərini bilmezdim ki bilirəm bir bu qədər saxta yalan xoş sözlərini bilmezdim ki bir bu qədər saxta yalan tək gözlərini.
What an amazing place.